Good morning, internet people. Welcome back to Sustainable Sierra YouTube channel. I have Little Man and Mr. here with me somewhere. There they are. Where's the little guy? There he is. Hello! So today I'm coming to you live from London, except I'm not live and we're not really in London. Well, we are. We are staying actually in the Canary Wharf Marriott where Mr. has a membership so we can get really good discounts. It doesn't look like London all out the window, but as you can see, we're right over the overground. Just kind of cool. It was a little bit noisy last night, but pretty cool. And the other side over there is a construction site. But we're in London today for a very exciting reason. Little man, do you want to come tell him why we're in London? Who is coming to London? Grandma! Grandma's coming. It's very exciting. Grandma visited about a year and a half ago back in the winter and it was pretty cold. She's coming in tomorrow. The last time she visited, she flew in to Manchester, and so we didn't actually come down to London, but we specifically planned this trip for her to arrive in London so we could show her the city, because she's going to be here for 2 weeks this time instead of just one, so we have a little more time, which is very exciting. We got in yesterday and we did some museum hopping, and then today we have a very exciting activity plan. We're going over to Watford Junction and going to the Warner Brothers Harry Potter studio tour, which should be really fun. And I don't know if I'm going to make 2 videos or 1 from this trip. I don't know, but we'll see you guys later. You want me to come? All right, all right. He didn't want to see that dinosaur, poor kid. There's a dinosaur, oh my goodness. What is it? Stegosaurus, yeah. Oh, that's a big boy. He's a big boy. Hello, welcome. We're currently in the Natural History Museum in London, which is very exciting. We're currently standing in like the marine fossil gallery, which is really cool. Makes you feel super tiny, so if you want to feel like you could be eaten by a fish at any moment, you should probably come in here. But rumor has it there is a live, real T-Rex somewhere in this building, and that's why we are here. So we're gonna go see if we can find it. Wow. You know, they say that this is Nessie, and Nessie is a big paleosaur. I think I'd be horrified if I saw that flying in the lot.
How old do you think these are? How old do you think they are? Do you think they're a year old? They are very old. They are 125 million years old. Wow.
Do you know what it is? No. It's a blue whale.
Blue whale?
A blue whale, yeah.
What?
It's big. See how big they are? They could swallow you up in one bite, my friend. What is it? A real fake dinosaur. Can you show it to me? Where is it?
I think that has a brawl.
You think they're gonna have a brawl? They might have a brawl. It's possible. I don't know. It's kind of scary. What is it? What? Eggs from a dinosaur? Where? Oh my goodness, what kind of dinosaur is it? And now presenting my favorite dinosaur is the Triceratops. Sierra, Triceratops. Work with me here, people. Imagine you're 6 years old. Okay, so now you get it. But look how cute they are. He's got the baby. What do you think of the Triceratops? It's too scary. I don't know, he's gonna get you with his nose and his horns. Like this. Poke, poke, poke. Poke, poke, poke. Ah! So big. Yeah. So you know that it's a real one because there's the glass around it and so people can't touch it. Tell us about your dinosaur. Hammer butt dinosaur. Okay. This is a hammer butt dinosaur, everybody. It was supposed to be one of those, but like, that's actually really cool. You can see a lot of it. There's a live dinosaur in there. There's a real, it's alive, kinda. You wanna look see it?
Is there something real?
There might be something real in here. It's alive! real? Do you think it's real? It's from the Cretaceous period, so it's a few million years ago, about 100 million years ago. Do you think it's alive? Could be.
You can see the glass.
Oh yeah, don't tap it, you're gonna wake it up.
Look. And here.
Look at you, look how cute you are. Alright. Yes. So we finished up at the Natural History Museum. Tell us, what was your favorite thing at the Natural History Museum?
Dinosaur.
Which dinosaur?
T-Rex. Real one.
The real T-Rex? Yeah, it was so cool. Did it growl at you, or was it growling at all the other kids?
Growling everyone.
It was growling at everyone. Do you think it ate anyone today?
No.
No, how do you know?
Because it's fake as the smooth.
It's just a fake one. I thought it was a real T-Rex. It's not?
No. It's
No.
just moving.
Oh, okay, got it. All right.
It's moving.
Ah, okay, good. All right, well, anyways, as you can see, we're now out
In the restaurant.
yeah, we're actually at Camden Market, which I think I've showed you guys Camden Market before. We came, oh gosh, I think it was last March. I don't even know if I made a video last time we were in London. I don't remember. I might have. If I did, I'll put it in the description or in the cards if I didn't, sorry. If not, then I'll just put it in a London vlog. But anyways, we're at a restaurant in Camden Market. Camden Market has a lot of stalls as well, but it also has some restaurants, and the one we're at right now is called Meet the Vegans, like M'', Eat the Vegans, and this place I've heard so many people talk about, and so I had to try it out, and I think it's gonna be amazing. They have pretty much all cuisines made vegan. They have Caribbean food, Indian food, Thai food, American food, Mexican food. Whoa, you alright, buddy? Sorry about that. Little man just tried to off himself by jumping off of the back of his chair. Well, he tried to sit down on like the arm of the chair, but not like the seat, and he just went flying, and it was very interesting. But anyways, as I was saying, the place we're at today is a fully vegan restaurant in Camden Market, and they have all different types of cuisines being vegan. I've seen this place on Instagram a couple of times. I've also seen it on some other videos and reviews, and so I really wanted to try it out, which is going to be exciting. Curry has just arrived. It's the goat curry. It doesn't have goats in it. I've only had goat, I think. Oh gosh, I think I was like 19 or something one time, so I don't even know to tell you if it would taste the same, but I mean, it looks like the goat curry I remember years ago. It's probably spicy, but I think it'll be good. Ooh, that Jamaican spice. Oh. I haven't had Caribbean food, the good Caribbean food, in like a decade. What do you think? Wow. Burger time. Looks really good. It's my French fry kid, I swear. Vegan kids, Omni kids, every kid loves a French fry. All right, daddy, what's the verdict on the nut butter chicken? Chicken masala.
Tastes good, but it's not what I want.
I think it looks nice.
Time to move
Time to move. Where are you going?
to Harry Potter bus.
He's going on the Harry Potter
To
bus.
Papa, my Harry Potter bus.
It's kind of exciting, isn't it? Oh, it's very sunny. Look. That's the entrance right there. It's so exciting. Gryffindor common room. So that's how you would go to get into the dormitory. But then the rest of the common room is here. Really neat. 2 Dumbledores in one office. I love that they were all made as like real oil paintings too. Look, who's that? Oh, big Also absolutely terrifying. Hey guys! So we are officially halfway through the Harry Potter tour, which is exciting but also really sad because we're having an amazing time. They say that it takes 3 hours to do like the entire thing. I beg to differ. It's been 3 hours since we started. So I would budget like 6 or go really fast. But right now I'm in the outdoor set. The boys are taking a break over there. So I'll show it to you really quickly. There is the Fort Privet Dive house, the night bus, that's the Hogwarts walkway, and then behind me, I'll show you guys a clip of it in a second, is the Sprouts greenhouse. You get to pull up mandrakes, which is really fun. I'll show that to you guys in a second. But again, I didn't expect everything to be in here so close, but I guess they brought it all together so we could see it on the tour. So I'm gonna see the second half, and I'll see you guys later. I should go first. Why? Yeah, I'm kind of scared too. I wonder what's going to be over here. Whoa. See? And then at the very end, when you get to the castle, you know it's all over. Grandma here, which is very exciting. Hi. Little man has been like chomping in the bit for the past month to see Grandma. Yeah, it's really exciting that Grandma's here. We're standing just outside of Parliament, which you can just see a little bit, but it's very cloudy, but you can see the clock tower. And Westminster Abbey is behind us, which is over there, but it's all in scaffolding because apparently when one landmark is fixed, they have to repair another one. We don't have a lot on our agenda today just because Grandma didn't get in until around 9:30 this morning, but we are going to see Buckingham Palace, which can't film inside, but we're going to walk around and we're going to have some delicious dinner and just spend some family time. So we'll film a little bit what we can, but I'm not going to film the whole day just because. So we'll see you in a bit. Hello! It's been a while, and now we're in front of the British Museum, which you guys can't see. What did we think of the palace?
Magnificent.
Yeah, did you like it? Did you like the palace? Shiny? Yeah.
Shiny,
Daddy, what was your favorite part?
No.
I like that yellow room. It was like a yellow mixed with gold.
Oh yeah, the white sitting room. Yeah, that's my favorite too, actually. And I realized through visiting it how much the ceiling is really the fifth wall. And if and when we ever buy a house, I'm decorating the ceiling. That's what I got out of it, because it's awesome. But anyways, we're gonna check out the British Museum. We have about 1 hour, and then we're gonna get some dinner. Mom, can you remind us again what you said about that placard up there?
It looks like the three little pigs.
I mean, I can see why you would say that. The 3 little pigs and like their like little brother or something?
Oh yeah, well, I didn't even see the one up there. Yeah.
I like that though.
Well, look at their noses and everything.
I can see what you mean. Yeah, it was the guardian for women and children.
It's amazing how these are so old and they really, a lot of them have fared really well.
Yeah, but I mean, I love the ones that you can still actually see the paint on. Like this one obviously was once elaborately decorated because you can still see like the flesh color.
Yeah.
That's Isis and Horus, by the way, if anybody is wondering.
Yeah, horns. Like.
Yeah. But you can see like once, I mean this was obviously like a yellow color with like a red or like a skin color and a black, and
Yeah.
I just think it's really cool. I wonder, you know, like what our paintings and art will look like, you know, 3,000 years from now. Yeah. I think we got ourselves a real sleepy buddy. While little man takes a nap on my shoulder, I'll check in with you guys. We're here at Mildred's in Victoria. We've been to the Mildred's Soho like 4 different times, I think, but we've never been out to the Victoria location. But we chose this one because it was closer to the British Museum than the Soho one, I think. Or no, I chose it because it was closer to Buckingham Palace and wasn't sure we'd be out of there. But anyways, this location is super cute. All the locations in Mildred's are beautiful, but this one is super cute. It has a lot of greenery and it's only 1 floor, so it's good if you need like an accessible location. Also, if you look behind us, over here they have all of this really beautiful artwork. I don't know if it's local artists or what it is. I'm gonna ask the staff because I'm just curious, but they're so pretty. But we ordered a ton of delicious vegan food. Little man ordered 2 children's entrees because he's so hungry and tired. So we'll switch you guys when I get here. Today, which is fine. We are still in London. We're in London day 2. Daddy and Grandma are just behind us. It's our final day in London, which is really sad, but we only have about half a day because we have a 5 o'clock train. We're going to start out at the Victorian Albert Museum because I want to see the Da Vinci galleries if they're still there. I know they had them for a while, but I don't remember if it was a permanent or a partial exhibit, like a limited time, so we'll see. Here we are. This is the Da Vinci book I've been wanting to see. And the lady said it's written in Latin, so if you know Latin, you can read it. Also, she said that it's written backwards, so you have to use a mirror inside and read it. So I'll see if I'll take a photo, and then anyone who wants to translate it can flip it over and read it.
Time to go.
Time to go where?
Up on the train.
Have on the train. Did you find a puppy? Yeah.
His name is Bob.
His name is Bob. And how old is Bob? He's an old man. Do, we're taking Grandma to the Tower Bridge. It's taking you to jail. Well, we could take you right in there. Tower of London's right next to us.
I don't want to be in jail.
You could just be in there, you know. Get some consumption, maybe some like lice, a few rat bite. What do you think? Mom, what do you think of the Tower of London?
All these things are old, and I love old stuff, especially since we live in such a new country.
Yeah. The tower itself is like 1,000 years old. It was built by William the Conqueror in 1066, I believe. Or part of it was, or part of it was rebuilt, but he definitely had a hand in it, so. It's only 1,000 years old. It's not that old.
I certainly would not have wanted to have been a prisoner here.
No, especially because most of the time you got beheaded afterwards.
Yeah.